my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one now. Okay, so I'm excited about this one. I was so graciously provided a unit by Ishow Hair. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, loose deep virgin Remy human hair lace front wig. Okay, look at her, stunning. Look at these curls. So I just took her out the pack. I had to take a look at her, okay? Mother had to see what she was working with. And I am so ready. Look at that hairline. I am so ready. So let me snatch her up off the mannequin head right quick, just so we can get a good look at her. So she has 3 combs. 1, 2, 3, okay? And 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps for kind of forever. They did not send an adjustable band with this one. Let me put on a cap. But she does look a bit snug, so I'm excited about that. So let's throw her on. Okay. So this is what she's looking like, fresh out the pack. Loose deep wave. Let me tell y'all something. This is, when we get out of this, I'm hitting the beach. The way this hair feels is insane, guys. And you know I got my trusty dusty water bottle right near me. Let's take this lace off and get her right on together. Let's get her together. This is not glued down, guys. And this is what she looks like. Let me take a little bit of our contour palette. So I just want to add a little bit, first of all. Big hair is so my thing. Of this. I don't even want to add it to the top. I don't want to mess up the hair, child. Good night. I'm so excited, Ishow. All right, let's get the big brush and get her all together in here. Only because Mother's a bit brown. Okay, so she need a little bit darkening. Because this baby girl is looking very Gwyneth, which is fine. But we want her to be a little bit more Lupita for the brown girls. Right? So I'm just going to get the inside of this all the way together. Especially because I didn't wear a dark cap today. Okay, guys. So this is her not glued down. All right, guys, so we're going to use our Gots to Be Glued freeze spray to take this unit down. Now, I either fan it or I use my blow dryer on cool just to get her all the way together. We want to melt this lace all the way down to the skiz out, okay? Look at this parting space, guys. This is a 13 by 4. Look at this lace. Won't you melt her down then? Melt her down. This unit is stunning. So when I first touched this hair, I was like impressed, and I ran my finger through it, and I was kind of mad because I didn't want to take this moment away from you guys and, you know, just run my finger through her. But this is a virgin Remy human hair unit. I have her in 24 inches. Oh, sorry, guys. 24 inches. I'll turn around. I just want to make sure she laid down. We don't deserve nothing like this. So I was, again, like a bit... I didn't want to finger comb her too much because I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a chance to see what she is looking like. She does not shed too much. She tangled a little bit, but that could have been just because she was sitting in the pack and I just like literally got her right on together. Ishow. Let me tell y'all something. Grab her, okay? This unit is fire. The lace is fire, okay? I have nothing else to say. This is stunning. I hope you guys enjoy her as much as I do. She feels so nice, guys. Woo. Okay, so what do you guys think? Look at that lace. Let me tell you something. Mother will not steer you wrong. I will not steer you wrong. Good night. I love any reason to come through and look like Esmeralda. If you have not already, bust down. Subscribe to our channel. Get into this unit. She is fire. Okay? From Ishow Hair. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye.